Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of the BedJet cooling and heating system. It works on a remote, and I'm going to show you how it works. This is actually a dual system. You see it's on a king-size bed. You have a hose here and a hose here, and then the main box that's going to generate the air is here. Typically, this is just under the bed, but I've obviously pulled it out to show you how it works. You have tubing that attaches, and then with the remote at night, you can have hot or cold air pumped into your bed. You will need the BedJet sheet. So this fitted sheet just comes right around the nozzle of the hose here so that the air blows right up towards your body. This sheet also has a seam down the middle. So that way you can have two different temperatures for people sleeping in the same bed. Here's a closer look at the remote. So you can see that you have some settings here, M1, M2, M3. These are hot and cold settings, and you can program it. So if you're M1, you can just punch it and the bed's going to go to the temperature of your choice. You can choose either cold or hot. And then turbo is a feature that just gives you lots of warm air for about 10 minutes. So if you live somewhere really cold and you hop into bed, you just hit turbo and then your bed becomes a little sauna so you can get to sleep comfortably. You can program all different types of temperatures or just have a fan. You can also take a look here. The remote's going to show you the time. So that's helpful if you look at it in the middle of the night. Pretty much everyone in my family uses the BedJet. It's become like a favorite Christmas present in my family. And now, we can't sleep without them. So this is a really fun feature. I love that you can have the single or double use. I think that's one of the best features so that if you're sharing a bed with your spouse, you can both have your temperature control settings. This is a product my family loves and recommends.